3, 2, 1, fish. Okay, we all know variety is the spice of life. It's super important to mix up your diet. Let's get seafood in there twice a week, at least twice a week. So I want to show you how easy and simple it is to grill fish. Introducing 3, 2, 1 salmon. So 3, 2, 1 salmon. It is as simple as it sounds. 3-minute marinade, 2-minute cook, 1-minute rest. Get your favorite marinade. I've made a Pura Vida marinade. It's high in citrus. It's got a lot of fresh lime juice and cilantro, chipotle, but use whatever your favorite fish marinade is. And let's go ahead and pour that over our fish fillets. We're gonna let that Kvarøy Arctic salmon drink that up, and just make sure that you're moving the fillets around a little bit so it can get evenly coated on all sides. Our grill is stabilized at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or slightly over. Let's go ahead and oil our grill grates. And I just use a little paper towel here and a little bit of oil. This is gonna help the grill grates kind of transfer that heat evenly. And that's it. It's been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and put the salmon directly on the grill and choose which side's gonna be your presentation side. Is it gonna be the skin side or the fillet side? So perhaps we start with the skin side today. And you can do a drag test to see if your grill grates are hot enough. If I draw this across the grill grates and it sticks, it's not hot enough. Notice how there's no residue left behind, anything, so I know it's not gonna stick. We've created a non-stick surface. I started on that skin side just so it can crisp up. That's gonna be my presentation side on this 3, 2, 1 salmon. We've been grilling for a minute. Now I've flipped it. Super excited, super simple. I love it. We're at the 2-minute mark. Let's take a look. Nice and roasted. And look how I can just roll this around on my grill grates, no worries. Beautiful caramelization on all sides. And you could use that as your presentation side. So let's say we're gonna go presentation side up there, and that is stunning. So no matter which way you turn it there, a perfectly roasted 3-minute marinade, 2-minute cook. Now for the 1-minute rest. And just like that, 3, 2, 1, done. All right, let's go in for a bite. We could sauce these, we could put them in a taco. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that, just falling apart. 3, 2, 1, and done. I mean, it is super simple, super convenient, and super nutritious. So remember, continue to put seafood in your diet at least twice a week. We just showed you how to make a non-stick 3, 2, 1 simple salmon off the grill. In the comment section down below, let us know your favorite marinade for salmon. I'll put that Pura Vida recipe down there for you. From our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.